Hi there, this is Tiffany, founder of the Marketing Shortcuts. In this video, I want to share with you what is a sales funnel, why you need it, and what is this list building funnel all about, and how you can use it to grow your business online. So, a sales funnel is basically a process that you take a cold lead and turn them into a buyer through the use of web pages, or what we call in the online marketing space landing pages or opt-in pages. They're all the same. So besides the use of web pages, we also use email, messaging, advertising, and even phone or Zoom calls. Why you need a sales funnel? You need a sales funnel to grow your email list. You also want to use the sales funnel to help you to do manual tasks so that you can save more time and effort. It is a bit like hiring a virtual salesperson that works for you 24/7 without complaining. You can also use sales funnel to establish your authority online and also scale your business revenue. These are some of the reason why you need to implement a sales funnel in your business. Now, for a sales funnel to convert well, you need to have the right sequence in place to automate your business processes. Look at the screen right now. There are three very, very important pillars in the area of marketing. First of all, you need to have a strong foundation in place for your business. When I say foundation, it includes the target audience that you want to work with. You have to be very specific. You cannot be saying that you want to target everybody in your business, because I want to share a revelation with you that is not everybody is your target audience. Not everybody needs your programs or services, and not everybody can relate to you. So therefore, you must be very, very specific as to who you want to work with. The other thing that you also need to be very specific is your marketing message. Let's take my business for example. My target audience are people who are coaches, consultants, or people who are doing service-based businesses. I'm not targeting people who are selling products, because I don't have any experience in creating sales funnel and automation for product-based business owners. I have about 10 years of experience helping coaches, consultants, or service-based business owners, like people who run gym, people who run coaching, consulting businesses, to create sales funnel for their business. Okay, so those are my target audience. Now, when it comes to marketing message, your marketing message is a statement that you tell people exactly who you serve and what you do for them. For example, let's take my business as an example. My marketing message is, I help coaches and consultants to simplify their online processes with ready-made funnel templates to grow their business revenue while working less. So I help coaches and consultants, which is the target audience. What do I do for them? I help them to simplify their online processes with what? With ready-made funnel templates, so that what kind of result I can get for them? That is to be able to help them to grow their business revenue while working less, which is the goal that every entrepreneur wants. Okay? So if you are, let's say you're running a financial planning business, you want to be very specific as to which area of financial planning do you specialize in, and who do you really serve. For example, let's say you have been working with young female professional in the area of helping them to save more for their retirement without sacrificing their lifestyle. So you just focus on this particular group of people. And your marketing message will be, I help so and so to do this so that they can get the result that they want. Okay? Now, if let's say you are doing financial planning business, you don't have to worry about offer because you already have your offer, which is the insurance or investment products. But if let's say you are an entrepreneur like me, who provides service-based programs or services, like I provide done with you, done for you funnel services. I got to create offers to sell in order to make money. Okay, so once all this foundation is done properly, then we go on to creating a funnel system for your business. The first thing that you must create in order to create the funnels is that you need to create a lead magnet. A lead magnet is basically, in a very simple term, it is basically a bait. If you have done fishing before, you will understand that you need to have a bait to give to your fish so that they can bite on it, get hooked on it, so that they will want more from you. Okay, so a lead magnet is like a bait. It is the marketing incentive that you give to your lead in exchange for their information, such as their name, their email address. Okay, so depending on, every funnel has different objective. It all depends on what you want to achieve. So in this video, I want to share with you specifically on this funnel called the list building funnel. Now, this funnel can do two things for you, and it is good for coaches, consultant, or any service-based entrepreneurs. Two things this funnel can do for you. Number one is that it will help you to build your email list, followed by help you to convert those leads who have opted in for your lead magnet and convert them into more appointment bookings. So if you're in a business whereby you need to meet more people through face-to-face appointment, be it online or offline, this funnel will be perfect for you. And let me explain to you how it works. So, for instance, let's say your lead magnet is an ebook. Let's take the example of financial planner who specialize in helping young female professional in the area of planning for their retirement without sacrificing their lifestyle. So let's say your lead magnet, the lead magnet that you've created is let's say a short video where you share with them top 5 tips on how they can save more for their retirement without sacrificing their lifestyle. Okay? So, your lead magnet is what you want to give away to people. So, you can create an ad, whether it's a paid ad or organic ad, doesn't matter. But what you want is that you want to tell people that, look, I have this thing that I want to give away, and it is for this particular group of people, young female professional, and this is what the lead magnet is all about. If you would like to have a copy of it, click here. So when your target audience click on the link, straight away they will be led to an opt-in page. So in the opt-in page, this is where you tell people what is this lead magnet all about. Okay, you give them maybe 3 pointers what they will get from this lead magnet, and if they are interested to get hold of your lead magnet, they're going to give you the information, which is their email and their name. And once they have given you those information, then they will be led to a what I call the money content page. So this is where you will give them what you have promised them. Okay, so for example, if let's say you promise them a free video teaching them, showing them how they can save more for retirement without sacrificing their lifestyle. So in the video, you share with them the 5 tips, and after that, there will be a call to action. The call to action is basically about telling your potential lead about inviting them to have a call with you. Example, let's say, I hope that you find these 5 tips very valuable. And if these 5 tips that I just shared with you speaks to you and you need help with planning your retirement and you would like to talk to someone about, you would like to talk to me about it, there's a video below this video. Click on that button right now and book a call with me. In this discovery call, I will get to know you, get to know your financial situation better, and see how we can work together. So go ahead, click on the link below right now, book a call with me. So when they do that, they click on the button and click on the button straight away, they will be led to a calendar booking page where they will pick the date, pick the time, and fill out some questionnaire regarding their financial situation. And once they hit the submit button, that's it. The confirmation that the appointment, it's the appointment booking is done. So what's going to happen after that? Your prospect will start receiving reminder email from you to confirm the appointment is done, to also get the reminders about their appointment with you 1 day or 1 day and 1 hour before the appointment. Okay, so what happened to those people who just download for your lead magnet but never go on to book a call with you? That's where you will start sending out promotional email to persuade them to have a call with you. Through the email, you can maybe share a few more tips on how they can save more for their retirement without sacrificing their lifestyle. You can tell a story, real story about the client that you have worked before, share testimony. All this email, promotional email, the purpose of it is to persuade those leads who have opted in for your lead magnet to go on and book a call with you. Okay? Now, that is how the list building funnel works in reality. So, like I said before, for a funnel to work, everything has to be done in the right sequence. So, what I've just shared with you is how I help my clients to set up this system for their business. If you would like to learn more about it, reach out to me, schedule a call with me so that I can get to know you more and your business and then see how we can work together. So that's it for now. I hope to hear from you soon. Take care.